Why don't you just quit now, Mrs. Wheat? If what you're telling me is true, you'll never come up with the necessary funds to put this off.
Well, I'm gonna try. I think I have a solution. I just need a bit more time.
You've got 20 days, period. Good day.
Bye. Bulletproof? This is really depending on you.
Bulletproof will take trades. Profit today, $123.
Well, I sure hope you can keep it up.
We will destroy the entire economic system. Our agents are in place, and we'll bring down one of the largest banks in the United States. Our beloved country will rise to the top of the financial world. Everyone will know our power.
Mike, have you heard anything from Stacy about Bulletproof?
No, why?
I've just heard something that concerns me a bit. There's been a big move overseas, and it's not looking good for one of our banks. I'm worried Bulletproof could do something wrong.
But if he follows your formulas, what'll happen?
Let's meet for lunch, and I'll tell you a bit more. This is more serious than anything I've seen in the market. I just don't know what will happen.
Excuse me, are you hungry?
I've been through some pretty tough moves in the market, Mike. I followed those formulas as best as I could. But there's a lot to remember. Plus, there's the human factor.
Human factor?
Yeah, trading Forex isn't just about knowing what to watch for. It's about gut feelings, and following your plan and sticking to it. If you have a proven plan and stick to it, you'll win more than you lose. But sometimes, even the best traders let their emotions get involved. And lose money they wouldn't have lost if they just stick to the plan.
But Bulletproof doesn't have any emotions, Steve. He just does exactly what the formulas tell him to do. He's gonna do it to the letter.
But this is big, Mike. Bigger than you can imagine. I watched worldwide events every day, so I can anticipate how the market will change. And what I saw this morning was absolutely crazy.
How so?
Something's going on overseas. The yen, the euro, they're all doing crazy things. This particular currency I'm watching very closely. Reports were issued this morning that nearly knocked me out of my chair. The US dollar has dropped through the floor, and I'm certain we'll lose at least one of our major banks if this keeps up.
A bank crash?
Exactly.
Hello?
Mike, it's Stacy. I'm worried. Bulletproof seems really busy. He said he took a small loss this morning, and ever since then, he seemed very occupied, like he's watching something very intently.
I'm sure he's focusing on the market, Stacy. Steve just told me about some activity overseas that's causing some problems. I tell you what, we're gonna come over there and see if we can see what he's up to.
Thanks, Mike. I'll see you soon.
Bulletproof? How's your trading going?
Net profit for today, $210.
That's impossible. I lost $300 this morning.
Trades are verifiable via remote session monitoring.
Is that what we did at your office?
Yep. Stacy, we need to get on your computer. He's got a browser page that I can view that'll show what he's working on.
Those are Forex charts. The market is taking a serious dive. I can't understand how he's doing so well.
Could it be what you were talking about this morning?
What?
Well, the fact that he's trading without emotions.
You know what? That's it. He's following all the rules. For example, here. I would have stayed in this trade longer, but he got out. And I would have lost my shirt.
But what about the loss he said he had this morning?
Losses are all part of it. You can't be right all the time. Sometimes the market changes unexpectedly and just doesn't do what it is supposed to do. There are so many factors. The key is having more winners than losers.
Well, he's made me $700 so far.
Bulletproof has a net profit of $754 since trading has commenced.
Yeah, $750. Sorry. He's made me $750 so far. So I can't complain.
Steve, what's that?
It's an alert sent by my broker. Click it. It happened.
What?
The crash. We've lost a major bank. Things are going to get very interesting from here on out. I need to access my other accounts, Mike. I need to get out of some trades, fast.
I told you. It is working just as we planned.
The Emperor is wise, and it will soon be even, as you have said.
We will soon control the entire world.
But you got out in time, right?
Yeah, thank goodness. Another minute might have meant thousands of dollars in loss. I'm glad I got out when I did, but now you see what I mean by having to deal with emotional decisions.
Bulletproof seems to be doing okay.
Bulletproof exited trades with no loss, currently monitoring market trends.
Steve, I think you should consider letting Bulletproof trade some of your other accounts. It'd be a lot less stressful for you.
You know, Mike, you may have a great idea.